My name is Corey Waldner with American Truckboxes. I'm in sales, and I'm going to do a walk around on our boat here on our boxes, so you have an idea what we've got here at the show. So I'm going to start here with our bedpack pullout boxes here. These boxes are 0.100 and 0.125 aluminum, very heavy duty. They're in our 4 Series boxes, and we have the dividers in them. We have the rubber mat on the floor. Heavy duty slides of 500 pounds in them, and we have our T-handle on here. It's a very heavy duty T-handle. We'll talk about that as we go. We're going to come here and we have our top bottom boxes here, which we call our TB boxes, which have a bottom door on them. And then again, the dolphin tail. The dolphin tail is a very heavy duty T-handle that is American Truckbox design. We have the very heavy duty commercial water stripping, which we introduced a couple of years ago. Very, very, very watertight water strip. We have the heavy duty cables that are lined. Then we come over here and we have our top box, which we have our dividers in those. So they're adjustable. And then again, we have the heavy duty gas spring holders, gas springs, and the heavy duty gasket. We're going to come over here. We have our SU box here, which is a box we designed for a flatbed or for any flat surface. We have the shelf in the box, very heavy duty shelf, reinforced. This is a powder coated aluminum box, just powder coated in the white and the texture black. We also have the wraparound water stripping on it. And we have the gas spring, extra gas spring support holders that are very heavy duty. This is just the awesome box to put on the flatbed. Then we can walk over here and look at our low profile side boxes with the optional drawer in them. Those are very heavy duty boxes. They're also on 0.090 material and 0.125 on the lid. Or 0.100 on the lid, sorry. And we also have the heavy duty gas springs in them, the push button locks in them, in both the drawer and the lid on top. Adjustable striker, mounting kit comes with the box. Very, very well built box. This also has the dividers in them that are adjustable, or you can take them out. If you don't want to use them, you don't have to. You have the larger cavity here to put other larger tools in. And those would mate with our LG cross boxes, the gull wing boxes. Now we also brought one of our new boxes, which we call our XC box. And this box here is a new design that has a tapered lid on it to mate with our HS side boxes. So they have a little taper here where they mate with our side boxes. We have the push button locks in them. Very heavy duty weather strip, the adjustable strikers on them. We have the dividers on the ends. And we have the heavy duty tray, which the heavy duty tray is a full aluminum sliding tray. It's not a plastic tray, it is heavy duty with galvanized dividers in them, are removable. Mounting gear comes with the box. And then we can look at our SR series box here with the over center latch or the bar latch. Bar latch is all stainless steel latch, which is designed by American Truckbox and manufactured by American Truckboxes right in-house. We have the extra heavy duty weather seal on here for those boxes to keep them watertight. We have stainless steel hardware on all our boxes as a general run. And then we have the stainless steel hinge. And this is a 0.125 box here. Very heavy duty box, very well built. Then we're going to come over here. This is our DU series box, which we call our drawer box. And that has a top open door, top hinge door with gas springs, extra heavy duty supports for the gas springs. Boxes are just about unbreakable as far as out in the field, working with them. Those boxes come in with mat on the floor, which all our boxes with drawers in them come with an extra mat on the floor to keep the tools away from the aluminum. And we have the dividers in them, which the dividers are galvanized dividers. They can be taken out or put back in. And again, we have the dolphin tail lock, which is an extra heavy duty lock with the roller. Just been a good lock for us. And also the wraparound weather seal, not to forget about that, is a very extra duty heavy weather seal designed for American Truckboxes.